always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Just after 11:15 now, and we're still mostly dry across West Michigan. We are left behind with completely overcast skies, which is a pattern we can't seem to break over the last couple of days. But there is going to be a pattern change as we push into our overnight hours. Right now, again, cloudy skies. Here's a check at your satellite. Not too much popping up on our radar right now either, but a wider view will show a pretty complex setup where we have strong to severe weather down to our south with heavy rain being produced there, a good deal of lightning as well. Off to our west, we're dealing with winter weather. What you see in pink is freezing rain, blue, of course, and snow. We're going to manage to dodge kind of both of these extremes forms of weather, but we're still going to see some widespread showers, especially over the next few hours. Here's kind of the severe weather risk across the country. Down to the south, as mentioned, very intense, as tornado watch was issued earlier on with several tornado warnings. What you see in this light green here that does get into our area just near and south of I-94 isn't technically on our severe risk scale. It's kind of a level 0 or a general thunderstorm risk. So if you hear a few rumbles of thunder overnight, don't be surprised. Otherwise, temperature is a little bit of a silver lining. We have fog developing, and with those cloudy skies, we'll hold steady in those upper 30s. High temperatures tomorrow will top off in those low to mid 40s, of course, with widespread rain, especially in those morning hours. What'll happen is that warm front will lift over our area, starting with the heaviest of rain again near and south of I-94. That's where you'll see those yellow and oranges color popping up more frequently. Into Tuesday evening, rain likely becomes a bit more scattered, and it'll be on and off for Wednesday. Not too much of a concern there. Into Wednesday evening, though, temperatures start to fall. So any precipitation that is left behind will then transition to a wintry mix or some snow. That'll continue on and off for Thursday, but right now accumulation looks extremely minimal, definitely less than an inch widespread. Rain, though, however, pretty significant, especially for the first week of January. Typically, we're talking snow at this time. As mentioned, those heavier totals will be down near and south of I-94 with areas to the north anywhere from about a half of an inch to an inch of rain. So to kind of summarize, Tuesday, 46 is your high. Expect that widespread rain early on. Could slow you down a little bit on that morning commute. You may want a few extra minutes. Otherwise, into Wednesday, we'll cool down a bit, and as temperatures fall into Thursday, we'll see that transition into snow. But the overall pattern into the long range actually keeps us on the warmer side of things. Our average high temperature for today should sit right around that freezing mark, 32 degrees. But across the country, it's likely going to be well above normal, especially as we head into that second week of January. Notice West Michigan and portions of the Midwest in that darker red gradient. That'll likely put our high temperatures at least in those mid to upper 30s, if not 40s for a few more weeks. For now, 46 is your high tomorrow. Of course, widespread rain developing in the morning before temperatures cool down, and that transitions over to snow. Into the weekend, there is a chance for some light flurries, mainly lake effect on Saturday. Otherwise, we'll see that sunshine return sometime early next week with temperatures holding steady in those 30s.